then this professor, after the class, was observing me. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow for the next subject matter. Imasida he approached me. Said ko na, are you from the Philippines? Yes, sir. You know, kuna na magpiman. I am a Singaporean by citizenship, but I was born a Filipino. Ay, Filipino pala kayo, sir. Kaya nga tinitignan kita eh. Kuna na. And you know what? I am 76 years old. And in the coming days, mamatay na ako. And I was looking back in the country where I came from. Every year, umuwi ako. Nagbabakasyon ako, pinapasyal ko yung mga relatives ko doon. Dito na ako, Singapore, napakaganda ng buhay dito. But gusto ko pa rin umuwi sa Pilipinas. You know why? Kanana? Hindi ko alam, Professor. During the Marcos time, I was fighting. I was fighting for the Philippines. Nag-rally kami doon against Marcos. Because I am a UPian eh. I fight for the people. Muntik na akong nag-NPE eh. Ang problema noon, nahuli kami. So nabilanggo kami ng 4 years. So in that 4 years na nabilanggo ako, umiiyak ako. Kasi binubugbog kami ng mga pulis. Sabi ko, Lord, makalabas lang ako dito. Alis na ako sa Pilipinas. I will have a good life. Truly, that year came na they were given amnesty. Immediately, he applied to Singapore University as a professor. Naalay suna, he was very good. So, iliyadai sa Singapore, continue teaching, nagpamilya dyan. And then, he's old now. And then, kung nakinak, there is only one regret in my life now. Because I know, in the coming years, I'm going to die. The only regret I have in my life is that I lost hope. I lost hope in my country. Nawalan ako ng pag-asa sa Pilipinas. Regardless of who I am right now in Singapore, my heart still belongs to the Philippines. I do hope, Bryce, that when you go home, you tell our countrymen never to lose that hope. Because it is only that hope that will give the next generation the hope to have a good life and the hope to have a government. And I will never forget that conversation I have with that person. Never to lose that hope. Because it's only the thing that we have. It is only the thing that we have. It is only the thing that we carry inside us. The hope for a change. And it should start from us, within us, so that we could share it in our province and our beloved province of Benguet.